Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a stack of papers that I need to shred, so I figured I'd bring out the Fellows paper shredder and give you a quick review and demo. I've had this thing for about 10 years. I mean, it's a really long time that I've been using it. I can tell you it's super durable, has held up really well, really easy to use. See, just quick power on off there. And then there's also a switch on the back here. Another on-off, a primary on-off button there. So turn it on. This particular model is supposed to be good for up to 16 sheets. I can tell you I definitely have done more. It says it's unjammable, so of course I go out of my way every chance I get to try to jam it. It does jam a little bit, but it has like this button. I use this button here as a reverse. I just really quickly show you how that part works, and then I'll run through these papers and show you how much it actually can shred. But real quick, safety feature, it has a sensor along here, so if you have kids or anything that or somebody who might be able to fit their hands down in there, like, it won't let you. See, it shuts off, which obviously really good safety feature, so I love that about it. But then it has the reverse feature here, so sometimes I do put too much stuff in it, you can hit this button and it will back it back out again. So it kind of gives you an idea of what the cut is too on it. So there's that part. I'm gonna just go ahead and start shoving papers in here to see if we can jam it up. These are actually pretty thick envelopes, so I'm just gonna start dropping them in here really quickly. And you'll hear it running and trying hard to work. But so you can see super quick. I think at the toughest part I had 4 to 5 different statement envelopes stacked in there, and it just cut right through them. So I can tell you that it's definitely more than the equivalent of 16 sheets. One of the other things I'll tell you is I haven't been great with maintenance on it. You're supposed to oil your, your cutters in here. Can't think of the word, whatever it is. You're supposed to, your blades, sorry, you're supposed to oil your blades. I haven't had oil in it for probably 5 years or so, when I use it all the time. Obviously not recommended, but just want you to know how durable and how well it holds up. So if you want to know if I recommend it, absolutely. I wouldn't ever buy a different brand if this one ever does break.